Okay, Chapter 1, Section 1.4, Roman Engineering, pages 18 to 19, and I will walk you through from the website, LODA-USD, Clever, Cengage, NGL Sync, and you should be led to our World History book and English edition. There's a Spanish edition too, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Section 1.4, Roman Engineering, pages 18 to 19. The objective of this lesson is to identify Roman contributions to structural engineering. Again, don't forget the essential question. What was the power and enduring legacy of the Roman Empire? So one of these legacies that we are talking about is structural engineering. There is a brief paragraph here, an introduction. You step outside your door and you'll see a road. Follow the road and you'll see a city. In the city, you'll find large concrete buildings 2,000 years ago. Roman engineers were perfecting the techniques that enabled the building of these modern constructions. The main idea of this lesson is the Romans were skilled engineers who helped transform how things were built, even in our time today. Rome's first great road was the Appian Way, built in 312 BC. It connected Rome and southern Italy. As the empire expanded, its armies built new roads back to the capital, which where the saying, "all roads lead to Rome," comes from. Where possible, the soldiers built the road wide and straight, making marches shorter and easier. Engineers develop special techniques to overcome obstacles. Well, by the way, most of the time their engineers are their soldiers also. So roads sometimes included bridges over rivers or tunnels through hills. Every mile or a milestone mark and a distance to major cities. By AD 300, the Romans had built about 53,000 miles of roads. That's a lot. That is absolutely impressive even in our modern day standard. Now let's talk about the system of aqueducts that supplied water to Rome, and its empire was a major feat of engineering. In the capital city itself, there were about 11 aqueducts carried fresh water from the area surrounding rivers and lakes, some as far as 57 miles away. Not all of these structures were architecturally masterpieces like the Claudian Aqueduct, which was completed in AD 52, where many consisted of simple underground pipes through which water flowed to various tanks throughout the city. The Roman aqueduct system fell apart after the breakdown of the empire, but the basic engineering principles behind its construction are still used today, just like what you're seeing in your book and in this video that I'm presenting to you. What you're seeing on the right side of your book on this page are Roman inventions. The first one is an arch, a curved structure over an opening. The one in the middle is a vault, an extended series of arches. And the last one is a dome, a rotated series of arches. So if you will inspect this, these inventions had a great influence even to modern day engineering. If you will open this plus sign under this dome, you will see that there is this influence even here in the United States. This is the picture of the Thomas Jefferson Memorial. Now, an empire means huge population. How do the Romans get fresh water? So they have this aqueduct system. The picture that you're looking right now is the Claudian Aqueduct. It carried fresh water from Rome's surrounding rivers and lakes. Now, if you will take a look at this infrastructure, what elements of Roman architecture appears in this structure? Do you see arches, vaults, domes, other stuff that were mentioned like layering of bricks and other use of technology that are even used in our time today? Now let's take a look at review and assess here, and we'll pick up number 2. Summarize. What was the process Roman soldiers used to build roads? So that is a question. What was their process? What were their techniques in building roads? Now, since you patiently listened to this presentation, I will give you a hint where to find the answer. It's in the third paragraph of this page, of this lesson. It talks about soldiers and engineers using special techniques to overcome different obstacles in their process of building roads and bridges and other infrastructures in their effort to expand the empire. Now go ahead, go back to our Google Classroom and respond to the question that I posted, which is the review says a summary of the process that the Roman soldiers used to build roads. Don't forget to write in complete sentences, at least 3 to 5 sentences, and don't forget to hit submit or turn in. I'll see you guys later.